Hi everyone, my name is Ugur. I'm from Germany, and I want to talk about the climate browser we developed. So I want to start first with the why we are doing it, what we're doing. And this is that everyone needs to understand there is climate change. I believe that in this room, there are less skeptics than outside, but there's still a big majority who still does not believe that there is climate change. And what we believe in is also to give people access to the data, to climate data. And this regarding everyone, from a scientist in Austria to just a person in Peru and to just pupils in other countries. It's just everyone should be able to access climate data and to work with the climate data. The problem with this today is that climate data is actually very big. So it's a big data, big volume problem. We have simulations which produce hundreds of terabytes of data, which then needs to be accessible by others. And the solution is not to just put it out there onto a server and then just say, here, you can access it. Because there are people out there who don't have access as we have in the States or in Europe, have that access to infrastructure, to compute power, who use still mobile phones to access this data. So this technology should then be free to all of us. And the point how we are doing it is to try to lessen the technical barrier to access these data sets. So we also, so these are the 3 points. So lowering the technical barrier to access the data, lowering the barrier to understand the climate data, to feed this climate data with additional meta-knowledge sourced from public sources, and lowering the barrier to work with this climate data. Even nowadays, scientists in our institute have problems with accessing the data sets or the data being generated by these climate models, because they need to download this, they need to access and process these data sets either on their laptop or on their high-performance computing system. And what we do is, on the next slide, is we developed a web application which actually allows you to work with huge amounts, with big data sets in your browser. And you don't need to install any C driver or anything else. You just need your browser and your laptop to access these data sets. So it is client-side. The visualization is on the client side. There's no privacy concerns. And the memory storage is minimal so that really everyone can use it. So if you go on the web page, I'm searching for collaborators who have knowledge in web application and just doing this, getting this to work. We are not funded. It is totally spare time. And yeah, that's what I do.